Good evening, sir. I am Alfredo Jericho III, and I am from Ormoc City, and also from BSMT-1 Charlie. Let me ask you something. Have you ever stopped to think about just how amazing a phone really is? I mean, we use them all the time, but if you take a step back, it's kind of mind-blowing, right? Think about this. When you make a phone call, it seems like such a simple thing. You press a few buttons, tap your screen, and boom, you are connected to someone across the world. But behind that call, there's a ton going on. This brings us to something called irreducible complexity. Basically, it means that for something to work, it needs every part of it to be in place. Look at all of the parts of your phone screen, the battery, the software, and the network that connects you, and the satellite up in space. If one of these doesn't work right, the phone call won't happen. Simple, right? The phone can't do its job without all these parts working together. And here's another example. Biological systems are just like this, like the human eye, or even a tiny bacterium. All these complex systems need every single part to function. If even one part is missing, they don't work. This isn't something that just happened by chance. It suggests there's a designer. Someone who made sure every little piece was in place, just like a phone, made to function perfectly. Now, let's talk about intelligence behind every information. When you make a phone call, you are transferring information, words, thoughts, ideas. You don't just randomly speak into the phone and expect it to make sense, right? It's all organized. It's a message with purpose coming from your mind and going to someone else's. Same thing goes for the information in your DNA. DNA is like nature's code. It's incredibly complex and full of detailed instructions for how life works. And just like a phone call, it's not just random information. It's purposefully organized and has a very specific meaning. So where did all the information come from? Well, just like you need a brain to write a message, this kind of information needs an intelligent source. So, when we look at something as simple as a phone call, we are reminded that behind it all, whether it's technology or very fabric of life, there's a designer, someone who made sure all these parts fit together and that information was passed along in a meaningful way. When you think about how all this works, from the tiniest system inside our bodies to the way the universe runs, it points to something bigger. Something or someone with purpose and intelligence behind it all. For many, this is the clearest sign that God exists, the intelligent designer behind it all.